So a photoelectric work function of a metal is 1 electron volt. Light of wavelength lambda is equal to 3000 angstrom falls on it. The photoelectrons come out with a maximum velocity of dash. Okay, the photoelectric work function of a metal is 1 electron volt. Light of wavelength of lambda is equal to 3000 angstrom falls on it. The photoelectrons come out with the maximum velocity is how much? Okay, so we know that the maximum kinetic energy, so the maximum kinetic energy is half mv square. So maximum kinetic energy half mv square is equal to total energy means sc by lambda. Okay, it is nothing but hf and f is equal to c by lambda minus work function. Okay, so here f is equal to c by lambda. Okay, so so hf is equal to hc by lambda using this form. Now, so h is the Planck constant, c is velocity of light, lambda is the wavelength, and w is known as work function. Okay, so the maximum kinetic energy, so h is Planck constant, value of Planck constant 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. C is the velocity of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon wavelength. Wavelength is equal to 3000 angstrom. Okay, so wavelength is equal to 3000 into 10 to the power minus 10. So minus work function, your work function is so 1 electron volt. Okay, 1 electron volt, 1 into 1 electron volt 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Okay, and so we get, so this much is equal to 6 point, okay, 6 into 10 to the power minus 19 minus of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So now taking common 10 to the power minus 19, 6.6 into minus 1.6 of 10 to the power minus 19. So the maximum kinetic energy how much? So we get, so 6.6 minus 1.6 is nothing but 5. Okay, 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So that means the maximum here, this one the maximum kinetic energy. Okay, so maximum kinetic is half into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Now we have to calculate the maximum velocity. So maximum velocity Vmax, so maximum velocity 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by mass. Okay, divided by mass, so is nothing but 10 into 10 to the power minus 19. So this was the mass of electron, 9.1 into 10 to the power 10 to the power minus 31. Okay, so the maximum velocity, so maximum velocity is nothing but, so this one is 10 to the power minus 18 plus 31 divided by 9.1 over root. So the maximum velocity is approximately, so 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Okay, so that means your correct answer is option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. Okay, option D is correct. So that question is photoelectric work function of a metal 1 electron volt. Okay, the work function is W naught. So W naught is 1 electron volt. So 1 electron volt, again we know 1 electron volt means what much? 1 electron volt means 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Okay, this one is the 1 electron volt. And so the light of work function is lambda is equal to this much. Again, so 1 angstrom. So 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power 10 meter. Okay, 1 angstrom 10 to the power 10 meter, and wavelength is given, falls on it, and the photoelectrons come out with the maximum velocity we have to find. So we know that maximum kinetic energy equal total energy minus work function. Okay, so the h is Planck constant, is the velocity of light by lambda, so work function. Now the substitute value of 6.6 and this much. Okay, So maximum kinetic energy, so V max is equal to 10 to the power 6.